Hi, Paul from Get Smart Accountants here. On my previous video around raising a quote in Xero, I mentioned that you could manipulate the terms and conditions and some of the functionality within the quotation. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. If you click on your name here at the top and then click onto settings, and then if you go into the invoice settings, and then you can drop on the options and edit. This brings you to the editing section of the invoice and quote template. This allows you to manipulate the information that is set on each and every quote that you raise for your customer. So you can put in your terms and conditions here. I'll just put it in there. Allows you to do that, and then you can save that there. That's the first bit that you can change. You can also change some of the default settings here, which enables you to say what your default terms and conditions are and the expiry of the quote. So you could put 30 days after quotation date, and that gives them 30 days to accept that quote, and you'll hold the price. You can also change the prefix of the quotation, so you could just have, and I can spell, quote number, and then you could perhaps start that at 1,000. So it looks like you've done previous quotes before, and again you can save that, and that changes the default settings on your quotation that goes out to all your customers.